Hey everyone, in this video we are going to solve some questions from GATE 2021 CE, and this question is from directional derivative, and we have given a function f of xy is equal to x times e raised to y, and we have to find the directional derivative at point 2 comma 0 in the direction of the vector which is a line joining the point 2 comma 0 and 1 by 2 comma 2. Now there is just a simple formula which is for directional derivative of function f at point say P is equal to, just take the gradient of this f, evaluate it at P, the point which is given, and take its dot product with the vector, the unit vector in the direction that is given to us. So we just have to use this formula. Now here, what is the gradient of this function? So gradient of f is just equal to, take fx fy, or this is equal to fxi fyj. Now what is the derivative of f with respect to x? So this is just equal to e raised to y I plus fy, partial derivative of f with respect to y is x times e raised to y j, right? And we have to evaluate this at point P. What is P here? It is 2 comma 0, right? Because we have to find directional derivative at this point. So just put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. So when y is equal to 0, e raised to 0 is 1. So this is just I plus x is equal to 2, e raised to 0 is 1 j, right? So here this is just equal to I plus 2j. Now what about the unit vector v cap? So here the direction is a vector which is a line joining 2 comma 0 and 1 by 2 comma 2. So let me call this point as A and this as B. So the vector v is just equal to b minus a, and this is equal to, just take this subtraction, so 1 by 2 minus 2, so this is equal to minus 3 by 2, then this 2 minus 0 is just 2. So we have this vector v. So what is the unit vector in the direction of v? So v cap is just equal to this vector divided by its magnitude, right? Now magnitude of v is square root of square of this, which is 9 by 4, plus square of the second coordinate, which is 4. So this is just equal to 16 plus 9 is 25 divided by 4 under the root. So this is equal to 5 by 2, right? So this is just equal to 1 upon 5 by 2 times v. So this is equal to 2 by 5 times the vector v. So this is just equal to 2 by 5 times v is minus 3 by 2 comma 2. So this gives us, this v cap is just equal to minus 3 by 5 4 by 5, right? And so this is just equal to minus 3 by 5 I plus 4 by 5 j, right? So just put this value here. So v cap is minus 3 by 5 I plus 4 by 5 j. Now take just this dot product. So dot product of this is just equal to minus 3 by 5 plus 2 times 4 by 5, right? So this is equal to minus 3 plus 8, which is 5 by 5, so it is 1. So the directional derivative is equal to 1. So this is your answer. Now let us solve the next question. The normal vector to this surface phi x square plus y square plus z square minus 48 is equal to 0 at the point 4 comma 4 comma 4. So let us just recall that the normal vector is just equal to, whenever we have this phi, so take the gradient of phi and take its magnitude in the denominator. So just find out this. So here we have gradient of phi is del phi by del x I plus del phi by del yj plus del phi by del z times k. So this is equal to, the derivative of phi with respect to x is 2x Similarly, del phi by del y is 2y, and lastly it is 2z k, right? And so del phi, now we have to find this normal vector at this point 4 comma 4 comma 4. So just evaluate this at 4 comma 4 comma 4. That means put x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 4. So we have 8 times I plus 8 times j plus 8 times k, right? And now just find out the magnitude. So what is the magnitude of this gradient of phi? So this is just equal to 8 square plus 8 square plus 8 square. So this is square root 3 times 8 square, right? So this is equal to 8 times root 3. So just put the value. So by this formula, this is just equal to 8i plus 8j plus 8k and divide it by 8 times root 3. So just simplify this 8 cancels, right? And so the answer is 1 by root 3 times I plus j plus k.